Hello everyone, so in this video I'm gonna show you how you can upload product from Shopify, okay, from the sheet, from the AliExpress, from anywhere. Okay, so this is my sheet my client given to me, so that if my client says, hey Farad, upload the product this one into my store. Okay, so I'm gonna open this product first, and then my client already mentioned this is the product title, so let's keep it here, and then let's come to one over here. And then also after that, whenever I'm come to the Shopify under the product, I have to click the add product. Okay, once I click on that, I have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then you'll be able to give the product name. And once you do that, all you have to do, you need to go back on the sheet, and then as you can see, we don't have a product description. So in this case, we will use ChatGPT to give us the description. So let's remove the all unnecessary setup so that I can show you everything properly. By the way, this is my agency website. If you need any type of help, you can message me if you're facing any issue with your website. Okay, let's come to the point. So this is here the SEO description place. So if I press the product title, so actually Shopify will give me the description. Okay, so this is the description. So I'm gonna copy that, and then I'm gonna paste it into the meta Google friendly keyword. So I'm gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna paste to the description. Okay, after that we have to add the image. So first of all, I will download all the images. So if you don't know how to download all the images from AliExpress, you have to install the one extension that is called AliSave. Okay, so you can install this AliSave. Okay, so you can download any product from AliExpress. Okay, so all I have to do now, let's go back and then click the upload now, upload neo. So from here I'm going to open this one, and then click the main image, and then select all the images, and then after that I will click the open. So our all the product will be added. So right now I am going to add the variant. As you can see, we have a two variant. So let's click the give the variant name first. Okay, so let's click the name option name, and then here we will give the option value. So to do that, first of all, we have to come to the Shopify AliExpress. Let's copy the name black. I'm gonna paste it on over here, and then after that we will go here, and then after that I will click the full glory. Okay, so let's copy this one and let's paste it into one over here. So cool. So there will be C. Okay, so once I do that, let's click the done option from here. As you can see, we have to add two variant image. So let's go to the, let's see which one is the black image. So this is the black image. So let's come to over here, let's click on the black, and from here we'll upload this, maybe this one. Yes, this one. Let's select this one, and then after that we will upload the cold gray. Let's see the cold gray image. So this is a cold gray. So let's come to over here, let's click on over here, let's select that. Okay, so we have added the two variants. So it's time to add the price. So what is our product price? And then also how many product available. We have like 655 product available. So and then we will add the price, and then how many product available. So right now maybe my client giving me the also price. So let's copy the price name, and then I'm gonna paste it on over here. Same thing here, and then our product have 55. That's it. So once this is done, let's see what else actually remaining yet. So here I have to give the done option. That means my product is done. So let's come to over here, let's click on the save option, and before I save it, I have to add the collection. This is the Swiss set collection product. So let's copy here and then paste the collection name here, and this collection will show up in front of me. I'm gonna add that. Let's click on this side, and that means we have so far done all the product actually we have added. So as you can see, our product have been available, and how many product available, everything actually showing here. So guys, that's pretty much of our product. So if you don't know how to actually write a product description using AI, all this stuff, you can comment me. I'm going to show you everything step by step. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day.